Here on my channel, I received a message from my boss. She's asking me to look into this inquiry from a client. Now, this is something that will require some time to complete, so I will react and comment that I'm on it, and I will star this message so I can return to it easily. The starring function acts as a bookmark to highlight things that are important, need follow-up, or whatever your workflow may deem necessary. It allows you to bookmark things that you will need to return to, and all starring is only for you. Nobody else will see your stars, which makes it very individualized for each person and their workflow. Here you can see that my message shows up in this toolbar. Once I'm done, I simply exit out and it will unstar that message. You can see the icon informing me of which channel or project each starred item is from, and when I click on it, it takes me directly there so I don't have to search for it. It saves me a ton of time and allows me to get a reminder of the context where each message has been shared so that I don't have to bug my coworkers to remind me of what the background story was of each request. Without Swit, I used to spend hours of cumulative time looking through email threads for specific pieces of information. This completely negates that hassle. Starring channels and DM threads is also a possibility. When you star a channel, it appears at the top of your list for easy access. This provides a higher level of convenience to find channels that you frequent the most without having to read through all of the channel names. It creates a more seamless workflow and eliminates time spent clicking and scrolling to find a specific item. I'm going to get started on this client request. We hope that you enjoy the star function and look forward to hearing how it improves your workflow.